Welcome to a quick tutorial from our hometown. We recently gave a customer newsletter page a fresh new look. We included an interactive Google map showcasing local publishers. To bring this feature to the email newsletter, we created an eye-catching animated GIF that highlights each publisher. Today, I'll walk you through making your own animated GIFs using Adobe Photoshop. Step 1. Gather your images. Let's get started by assembling those images. Think of it like collecting snapshots for a digital flipbook. In our newsletter example, we'll use a screen capture tool to take shots of our interactive map, zooming in on each publisher. Now, your source images might be screenshots, photos, or even illustrations. All of that can work. Choose your capture tool. Whether you're on a Mac or a Windows machine, you have built-in options like Command-Shift-5 or the snipping tool. Or go with your favorite screen capture software. Clipboard or save it. If your tool copies images directly to your clipboard, it'll make the next step super smooth. Otherwise, saving each image with a descriptive name keeps things organized. Step 2. Setting up Photoshop. Now, let's bring those images into Photoshop. New document. We have some flexibility here. You can create a custom-sized document for your GIF, or if you've copied those images, let Photoshop size a new document automatically using the clipboard option. Pasting it in. Each screenshot or image now gets pasted onto its own layer. Think of these layers like the pages of your flipbook. We'll keep doing this until we've created our digital slideshow. If you've assembled your images in a folder, you can use a quick script in Photoshop to import your files into your document. From the File menu, find Scripts, then click Load Files into Stack. A window will pop up where you can select the source of your files. In this case, we will choose the Folder option. Then click the Browse button and locate the folder with your images. Click the Open button. Finally, click OK, and Photoshop will then import each file into its own layer in your document. Step 3. Bringing on the animation magic. Okay, the fun part. Let's make this move. First, open your timeline panel from the window menu. See that Create Frame Animation button? That's our key. Clicking it gives us our first animation frame. But to really have that slideshow effect, we need a neat Photoshop trick. Hit the Timelines menu button and select Make Frames from Layers. Boom! Instant slideshow. Photoshop just turned each of your layers into a single frame of the animation. You can even preview in the timeline. Step 4. Timing is everything. Let's get this GIF flowing at the right pace. See those delays below each frame? You can adjust those individually, or for a shortcut, shift-click to grab all your frames and set the delay just once. The loop control below, that's for replaying. Forever is usually the way to go for a GIF. Hit play to check it out. Step 5. Sharing your awesome GIF. Ready for the world to see your creation? Hit File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. Make sure GIF is your format, tweak the size if you need to, and you're ready to save. Just think, now you can spice up your newsletters, websites. The possibilities are endless. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to know more about our hometown and our web publishing platform, don't hesitate to reach out via email at ops@ourhometown.com. We'll see you next time.